Ever opened Excel and thought, what on earth am I looking at? Rows, columns, formulas, and buttons everywhere. It looks confusing, right? Let's fix that. In just a few minutes, you'll learn how to turn that grid of boxes into a powerful tool for tracking, calculating, and visualizing your data. Open Excel and follow along with me. We'll build a simple expense tracker together while I show you everything you need to know, navigating formatting formulas, charts, and a few time-saving shortcuts. This is your Excel workspace. Across the top are columns, which are labeled with letters. Along the side are numbers, which are rows where they meet. That's a cell, your basic building block. At the top, you'll see the ribbon, Excel's control center. The Home tab handles formatting. The Insert tab is where you can create charts and visuals. Formulas are where the magic happens. That's where you can calculate figures and do other mathematical operations. Let's make something practical, a monthly expense tracker. In column A, type categories, then add a few rows. In the first row, type rent. In the second row, type groceries. And in the third row, type utilities. At the top of column B, type the label amounts. In column C, type the label dates. After typing your amounts and dates, you can now format them. Highlight your headers and bold them. Adjust column width so everything fits neatly. Highlight your numbers, then right-click and select Format Cells, then select Currency. See, you just turned a plain grid into a clean, professional spreadsheet. Now that your data looks clean, let's make it easier to manage. Let's learn how to sort and filter data in your spreadsheet. Sorting and filtering help you focus only on the data you want to see. Click anywhere in your table, go to the Data tab, and click Filter. You'll see tiny arrows appear on your headers. Now you can click these arrows to sort by amount or filter out specific categories, like showing only rent or utilities. You don't have to manually drag column edges to resize text. Here's a time-saving trick. Click the letter above the column, then double-click the right border of that letter. That's called auto-fit. Excel instantly widens or narrows the column to fit the longest text inside it perfectly. Do the same with rows if needed. This one shortcut alone removes 50% of the frustration new users feel when columns look messy. Let's make the data you typed stand out. Highlight the figures in the amounts column. Go to the Home tab, then go to Conditional Formatting. Then click on Highlight Cell Rules and then Greater Than Type 100 and choose Red Fill. Now every expense over $100 is automatically highlighted in red. That's Excel thinking for you. This makes it easier for you to spot figures in the spreadsheet. Excel can act like your personal budgeting assistant. Want Excel to tell you when you've overspent? This is how you do it. In the next column, type Status. Then in the first row under it, type this formula, equals IFB2, greater than 100, over budget. OK. Press Enter. Now Excel automatically labels each expense based on your rule. Copy it down using the fill handle. Conditional formatting can do more than highlight a rule. Highlight your amounts column again. Go to Conditional Formatting, Color Scales. Choose the green, yellow, red option. Now Excel grades your spending visually. Lower amounts in green, higher amounts in red. Instant heat map. This is great for spotting which category is silently eating your budget. If this is helping you so far, hit the like button. It tells the algorithm this is valuable and helps other beginners find it too. Now let's make Excel calculate using the Formulas tab. Here are some simple formulas for you to learn. You can find the total of your figures in two ways. The first way is to do it manually. Below your amounts column, click an empty cell and type equals sum. B2 to B5. Then press Enter. This allows Excel to calculate the column total for you. The second way is to highlight your figures, then go to the Home tab, click on the sum icon, and then click Enter. Excel will again calculate your figures for you. Let's go a step further. Below your total, type average in one cell and type equals average open parenthesis. B2 colon B 5 close parenthesis beside it. Excel instantly calculates your average spending. Do the same for equals max open bracket B 2 colon B 5 close bracket to find your highest expense. These quick formulas help you analyze trends at a glance. Let's add insight. Below your totals, type this, equals count if open parenthesis A2 colon A5 comma quote rent quote. This formula counts how many times rent is listed in your categories. If you repeat it for groceries, utilities, subscriptions, you get a frequency breakdown, perfect for subscription-based spending. You can also generate charts to make your spreadsheet look professional and easy to understand. Highlight the figures in your amounts column. Go to the Insert tab, then click on Recommended Charts and then click Pie Chart. Now you can see where your money goes. Add labels by clicking the little plus icon on the right side of the chart to choose data labels. Now your chart is clear and presentable. You can analyze your data at a glance. In addition to a pie chart, try a bar chart. Highlight the same data, go to Insert, Recommended Charts, and choose Clustered Bar. Now you can visually compare how your spending changes by category. Format it by clicking on Colors and Labels. You'll see how easy it is to make your data presentation ready. Here's how to make your charts presentation worthy. Click the chart title and rename it Monthly Spending Breakdown. Click the legend and move it to the bottom. Small details equals huge professionalism. Now you have graphs that actually look like a business financial dashboard. Here are some other formulas that make using Excel easier and save you time. By typing Control plus T, you instantly turn data into a table that expands automatically. Try it. Highlight the figures in the amounts column, and on your computer keyboard hit Control and T together. Excel created a table from that column. You can also keep your headers visible while scrolling by using the Freeze Pane command. Go to the View tab, click on Freeze Pane, and then choose Freeze Pane from the drop-down menu. Excel also has a drag fill option. This allows Excel to automatically fill in information such as dates in another column. Type Monday, grab the corner, and drag down. Excel fills the rest of the week. Finally, you can find information in your spreadsheet by typing on your laptop keyboard, Control and F together. Type the information you are looking for in the pop-up search bar. Excel will highlight it for you. Want your dates to always show in month-day-year format? Highlight your date column, right-click, choose Format Cells, Date, and select your preferred style. Now, every time you add a new date, Excel keeps your format consistent. Here are a few extra shortcuts. Control plus inserts today's date, Alt plus equals quickly sums your selected column. Control plus Shift plus dollar formats numbers. As currency instantly. Once you memorize these, your workflow will fly. Now let's put everything together. Open a new workbook. Create the same categories, amounts, and dates like you did earlier. Highlight the amounts column and use the sum formula to total your expenses. Now format them as currency. Now use conditional formatting for high expenses. Highlight the amounts column, go to conditional formatting, and put the setting to 100 in red highlight. Next, add a pie chart to visualize where your money is going. You've just built a fully functional spreadsheet that calculates updates and visualizes automatically. You just went from beginner to confident Excel user. You are navigating, formatting, calculating, and charting like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech guides. In the comments, tell me what Excel topic you want next. I reply to every suggestion. turn on the notification bell so you don't miss new videos. Thanks for watching and congratulations. You just mastered the basics of Excel.